Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're about to embark on a journey to transform your long hair with a chic and trendy V-cut hairstyle. V-cut haircuts add flair, shape, and movement to your locks. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions to help you achieve the perfect V-cut for your long hair. Let's get started. Before diving into the haircut, ensure you have the following supplies ready. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother and help you achieve precise results. Start by washing your long hair with a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. This will ensure your hair is clean and manageable. After rinsing, gently detangle your hair using a fine-toothed comb while the conditioner is still in, making it easier to work with and minimizing breakage. Divide your long hair into sections to make the process more manageable. Clip up the top layers and begin by working on the bottom section. This will help ensure an even and balanced V-cut. To create the base of your V-cut, start by deciding how short you want the shortest point to be. Cut your hair straight across to this length, making sure to trim just a little at a time to avoid overdoing it. Release the top layers and let them fall over the base. V. Use the base V as a guide and start cutting the top layers at a slightly steeper angle. Gradually increase the angle as you move toward the front, creating the characteristic V shape. To blend the V-cut seamlessly, take vertical sections of hair and point cut. This technique adds texture and softens the edges, giving your V-cut a more natural look. Once you've achieved the perfect V-cut, style your long hair as desired. You can use styling products to enhance the shape or choose to curl or straighten for added texture. Experiment with different styling techniques to showcase your new V-cut to its full potential. A V-cut is a fantastic way to add style and movement to your long hair. With the right tools, techniques, and patience, you can achieve a stunning look that suits your individual style. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair care and styling tips.